Now one poem in English. That is the language of my profession. So it is a mythological character, Shikhandi. People, those who have read the Mahabharata, they can understand this poetry more. Shikhandi. You were exactly as any physical form could be. You were exactly as any physical form could be, like two seasons existing together within spring. Like two seasons existing together within spring, like the receding moon at the breaking of dawn, like the sun comes prancing at once of morn, like the whites and the reds coming together to form pink in new hue, have any colors stayed separate with the creation of a new colors? Have any colors stayed separate with the creation of a new color? Next one, Shikhandi. Your body revealed against your soul. Your body revealed against your soul. How many could attain that? Akin a Hatha yogi. How many achieved the courage of an acceptance post a denial? And just how many win at their options in a world given to them? Still stand up, firm to be a warrior in the greatest of the battles, and change the consequences without playing the hero, being blissfully unaware that the war would never end. That war would never end for you, even in 2025. Being blissfully unaware of the fact that the war would never end, not for you, even in 2025. अगली है. You are justified in wondering as to why a fish would not wish to climb a hill. You are justified in wondering as to why a fish would not wish to climb a hill, why a fruit could not be extreme tart and overly sweet at the same time. Why can't the sweet jaggery be tested in the umami of the salt when both existed in one world? Just why a new color, a new flavor, or a new relation cannot be fathomed without permission? Does the technology ever worry about horizons, about permissions? Neither does it question the color, just like you. And like the chariot and the bow, which never asked you what color you are. And the last one. In Mahabharata, every single one got their piece of the world, sins and virtues. In Mahabharata, every single one got their piece of world, sins and virtues. Some were crowned kings, some were named heroes. And the time it remembered each one of them, you stayed unsung, like a forgotten comma in a 1200-page novel, a song that was sung, a species of flower that no one ever smelled, a fruit that hung on the branches for years on end in the wait of being tasted. I know you never wanted Hastinapur. You were happy with what you choose. After eons too, you still hold a placard in your hands. Why must I ask permission? Does a flower ask, may I bloom? Before unfurling its petals to the world, I want to be in the being of me. Before unfurling its petals to the world, I want to be in being of me. तो मित्रों, ये सारी कविताएं मनुदास को बहुत सारा शुक्रिया, उड़ीसा आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल का शुक्रिया कि मुझे बुलाया, और आखिर में दो पंक्तियां आप सबके लिए जिन्होंने बहुत तसल्ली से मुझे सुना. प्यार कहीं भी हो हमेशा अच्छे मौसम में होता है. प्यार कहीं भी हो हमेशा अच्छे मौसमों में होता है. आप जानते हैं, मरने के बाद प्रेमी मौसमों में बदल जाते हैं. शुक्रिया.